Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be doing an eye look using the Truly Madly Deeply palette from ColourPop. It's actually so gorgeous. I wanted to buy this online and they were sold out, so I went in store and bought it. Yeah, this is the Ulta exclusive palette and I cannot wait to play. The color story is gorgeous, but there's a few things that is completely just on my mind about this palette that's just not okay. So if you guys want to learn what is wrong with this palette, then keep on watching. If you guys enjoy eye look videos, then give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And let's go ahead and get into the video. First things first, if you guys want to skip all of the talking that I'm about to do, I'll put a timestamp down below. But I would probably stick around to hear me talk about what I have to talk about because there's a lot of repeat shades in here and I want you guys to know where they're from and all of that jazz. So if you want to know about the repeat shades and all of that, then watch all the way through my jibber jabber. If not, timestamp down below and you can skip to when I officially start with the tutorial eye look thing. Okay, so you guys, are you liking the new setup? I like it. I think the lighting actually looks a whole lot better here than anywhere else. So if you guys are liking it, give this a thumbs up and let me know down below. And disregard this situation right here. I have to buy one of those covers. I haven't done that yet, so disregard, because we changed them all to white instead of that like cream color. I didn't like them. But anyways, we need to discuss a few things about this Truly Madly Deeply palette from ColourPop. There's a few things wrong with it, and I wanted to bring this to your attention if you didn't notice this yourself. So this palette is an Ulta exclusive palette, so you can only buy this at Ulta. And I mean, that's cool, you know, ColourPop has their thing at Ulta now. It kind of sucks that they make exclusive palettes that you only can get at Ulta, but then again, I get it, since their stuff is in their store now. But one thing I noticed from this palette is there's a lot of repeat shades. I actually stayed up one night because I was really bored and went through all of the palettes currently on the website that were there. Sometimes when palettes are sold out, they're not even on the website. But I noticed there was a lot of repeat shades. Well, I noticed it first off because I knew I had Mr. Sandman in my It's My Pleasure palette, and I knew Poodle was in the Ooh La La palette. And there's a few more. Matter of Fact is in the Give It To Me palette, and Sweet Dreams, where's that at, is in the Kathleen Light's Dream Street palette, which I feel like I've seen Blossom before, and I feel like I've seen Misty before, and I feel like I've seen Made to Last before, but I'm not sure. This is just the current palettes that, like, you know, from when I've been purchasing ColourPop palettes since the beginning of the year. So there could possibly be more repeat shades that I just recognize from like past palettes before I even like started buying ColourPop palettes. But I just wanted you to be aware that there is a lot of repeat shades. Hungry Ghost is in the Baby Got Peach palette. And then these three glitter shades are, they were first introduced in the, I think it was the festival collection. So a lot of people bought these glitters when they announced the festival collection. So if you're a ColourPop collector like I am, how I seem to be now, you would probably already have almost all of these shades. There's 16 shades here. 3 of them are glitters, which they're not technically eye safe, but if you want to use them at your own risk. 5 of them are repeat shades, so 8 of them aren't new, and the other 8 are new. Maybe, I'm not really sure if they're like officially new. But I see why they did this for a Ulta exclusive. So if you don't ever buy anything off of ColourPop's website and you solely buy stuff from Ulta, all these colors to you are actually new. But if you are a ColourPop enthusiast, you probably have 8 of these shades, if not more. But that's all I wanted to talk about with this palette. I think it's a very beautiful color story. You have like your mauve-y tones down here, you have some neutrals, and you have like some coral pink shades. I wouldn't say like coral, but you know, you got your pinky peachy pinks over here, and then you have glitters if you are into glitter shades. I'm really not, but I'm kind of like on the fence about using them today because I kind of really want to use indigo. But you can do so much with this palette. You can really create a lot of looks. So I'm not mad about it, and I'm going to create a look for you guys today. I don't know what I want to do, but I know I want to use this shade, I think, and I know Poodle's a pretty shade, and I really want to try this like orange shade. Of course, I don't ever think anything through before I even start a video. So, you know. So I think I've talked for far too long, and I think it's time that we actually get into creating the eye look. So let's scoot you a little bit closer and get on to it. So first I'm gonna start out with the shade Matter of Fact. I'm just gonna do that all over my lid. Now I want to take the shade Lay Low and put that in my crease.
So I just wanted to add this in really quick. Notice how pigmented this shade is, and you can tell as I go that it really just blends out like a dream. And I didn't even put that much product on my brush. I just didn't think about it at the time, but I just wanted to let you know now.
Honestly, I thought that this shade would come out a little bit more neutral, but it does look more peachy pink, but I'm not mad about it. I actually really enjoy the color, so I'm okay with that. Now I'm gonna take the shade Cutouts, and I'm going to put it just a little bit lower than this color and focus it on my outer corner. You know what I love about ColourPop shadows is they blend so good, so easily, and so fast that you don't even have to put a lot of work into actually blending your shades. So I really do appreciate that about ColourPop. So I want to deepen this up a little bit, so I'm going to take the shade Pretty Cruel and put it in my outer corner, and hopefully that'll darken it up enough. If not, I'll go in with the shade Too Much, but we'll see what happens. So this shade does have some reflex of glitter in there, and it actually is on my eye. Usually they tend to fall out or just be non-existent, but these ones are actually showing up on my eye like a good amount, which I kind of actually am impressed with that, because usually you don't see the glitter anymore. It kind of falls out, but so far the glitter is actually pretty there. It kind of just adds a little pizzazz to your look. So now that I have this darker shade in my eye, I'm just going to blend it in the corner. So when I blended it, I did lose a lot of the pigmentation from that. As you can see, this one's still really dark, and it kind of just lost itself there. And the shade did give me some fallout. But if I have to be honest, I kind of like the color that this shade created when I blended it in. So it's not dark like I wanted it to be, but it actually looks really pretty like that. Let me get you really close. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but in person you can tell. It created like a whole different color there that really works. And I might just keep it like that and not darken it up. but I'm not sure yet. Also, update on that shade, the glitter pretty much has dissipated. There's only a few little specks of glitter now, so once you blend it out, the glitter does like shoo away, so just so you know. So I've decided I'm not gonna go any darker in the corner. Usually I always go darker, but this time I'm not gonna do that, but I am gonna take the shade Golden Gate Bridge and kind of like buff out the top portion of my eye. I kind of like the way that this looks. Okay, cool. Oh boy, what can I do now? I don't know what to do. These shades are so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna swatch a few of these shades here just so I can see what I want to put on my lid. I'm gonna do Sweet Dreams first. It's a little too soft for this look. I'm gonna do the shade Blossom. No. Jackpot. Okay. Misty right here. I really like that one. And Mr. Sandman. I think I might use the shade Misty. Okay, I've decided I'm gonna use the shade Misty for all over my lid, and I'm going to just use my finger to apply it. You know, if I'm being honest, I think this palette can work for like all seasons. I feel like this look right here particularly is a good like fall look, and then you can also use some of the other like pink shades and then the softer tones like up here for like a nice spring shade. I feel like this palette can truly be used for like just every season, honestly. But this is what I have going on right now. Honestly, I really want to try glitter. I know I'm probably going to pay for it for like later, but I want to try the glitter. So I think I'm going to do indigo, and we're just going to hope for the best. Here we go, people. I mean, I think this kind of actually transforms the look just a little bit more. Okay, I really kind of like this. Oh my god. I need to find a way to like stick this down. Like, I probably should buy a glitter glue, right? Oh boy. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Oh my god. Remember, use the glitter at your own risk, and it is very messy. Like, it's not staying where I put it. Like, it's going way up here, and like it's just going in all different directions. And it does fall out too. Like, I have glitter like down here. Let me try and get it. Yeah, I got it. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to dust off this fallout on my face really quick. And I just thought of something. So if you don't have like an actual glitter glue, can you use like a setting spray to keep the glitter in place? I don't know, we're gonna try it though. So I'm just going to take this Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. I'm just going to like spray my eyes and like fingers crossed this will like set it. Maybe even try hairspray. I don't know if that's like, you know, a good recommendation, but you know, we'll try it. Maybe not a good idea. But maybe this will like keep it steady. We'll see. We'll see. So it's time to do something to my lower lash line, and I think I will do I think I'm going to use Made to Last, this shade here, and use it for my lower lash line. And then I want to use the shade Sweet Dreams for an inner corner highlight. And here's the look. So I'm going to use my Thrive Cosmetics mascara, the Honeydew eyeliner from ColourPop, and the e.l.f. liquid liner to complete my eyes, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look using the Truly Madly Deeply palette from ColourPop, the Ulta exclusive, so from Ulta. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I just put some Dominique Cosmetics lip gloss on also, but I really do like enjoy the look like a ton. So if you guys want to recreate it, go ahead and post it wherever you need to post it and hashtag Connor Krystyn so I can see it. But here's a close-up. Okay, that's enough. But anyways, yes, if you guys liked this look, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more with this palette, because there's so many different combinations of colors that you can do. I focused more on the peachy peaks, but I can do more of the mauvey dark shades if you would like to see that. But yeah, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you go, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.